anxiously waiting on pins and needles. Can't get you out my head. You know you're a monster, right? When you hold me closer tight, then you treat me like a friend. We both know it hasn't been sunny like a vacation. Everybody's having fun. All I wanna do is run back to you, my only love. Anxiously waiting on pins and needles. Can't get you out my head. You got me faded, no way to shake it. Can't get you out my head. I remember when you caught my eye, but that was only half the fight. I was young and stupid then, always playing for the win. Don't know how I got this bad, I just wish I had you back. I know all that's well and well, I still feel you close as hell. Anxiously waiting on pins and needles. Can't get you out my head. You got me faded, no way to shake it. Can't get you out my head. Tell me, am I still alive? 'Cause I've been feeling dead inside. I think about you all the time. You seem to be doing fine. I see you when I close my eyes, like every other sleepless night. I try to block it out this time, but I can't keep you off my mind. Anxiously waiting on pins and needles. Can't get you out